Moving on, let's shift focus to the stock markets, and Wall Street is treading water. With the U.S. stock futures, little changed overnight as markets assess the chances of reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. Oil remains above $82 a barrel, while uncertainty over the U.S-Iran conflict keeps inflation and interest rate worries alive. Now take a look at this next report for more.
U.S. stocks closed lower on Monday, with the Dow and S&P 500 dipping marginally and the Nasdaq shedding about 0.33%. Investors became less confident about a deal to reopen the Strait of Hormuz, which sent U.S. crude prices up about 5% to settle at more than $82 a barrel. Heightened energy prices have spurred inflation worries and led to concerns that central banks would have to raise interest rates. Ryan Isherwood is founder and chief investment officer of Significance Capital Management.
Generally speaking, inflationary signs are a reason for investors to take a little bit of a pause, take inventory of where things came from. And we think that's just causing, a little bit of normal digestion, if you will, from the recent strong rally.
Also weighing on the market were shares of Intel, which fell about 4% after the chip maker said it was planning to raise $15 billion through a share sale. And shares of NVIDIA dropped roughly 3%. A person familiar with the matter told Reuters on Monday that a group of financial firms, including Apollo Global and Blackstone, is working with NVIDIA to put together a $500 billion funding package for AI infrastructure development. And shares of Rocket Lab, down more than 3% at the close, fell further in extended trading after the aerospace company forecast third-quarter gross margin below Wall Street expectations, as sales of lower-margin satellite platforms are set to make up a larger share of its business.